Now 8th standard maths exercise 1.1 7th problem. List any 5 rational numbers between the given rational numbers. Minus 2 and 0. Between these two numbers we want to find 5 rational numbers. For the denominator not given, so it is a fractional number. Denominator we consider as 1. For here the denominator consider as 1. Now you have to make the denominator as multiples of 10. 10, 100, 1000. Now I make this as a denominator 10. So both numerator and denominator multiple by 10. Both the rational numbers. So minus 2 into 10, minus 20 by 10, 10 into 0, 0, 0 by 10. So between these two numbers 0 by 10, that means that is equal to 0. 0 and minus 20 by 10. Between any 5 rational numbers you have to select and write. That is minus 19 by 10, minus 18 by 10, minus 17 by 10, minus 16 by 10, minus 15 by 10. Second problem, minus 1 by 2 and 3 by 5. This one denominator 2, 5. I make it as a denominator 10. So it's become 10 when we get a denominator 10 multiple by 5. So both numerator and denominator multiple by 5. So 1 into 5, 5 minus 5 by 10. Next 3 by 5 into 2 by 2. 3 2s are 6, 5 2s are 10, 6 by 10. Now we want to find the rational number between minus 5 by 10 and 6 by 10. So you have to mark the rational number, positive rational numbers and negative rational numbers, and find any 5 rational numbers. So I wrote here 0 by 10 to 4 by 10. For randomly you select the rational numbers. Use the method of averages to write two rational numbers between 14 by 5 and 16 by 3. For an average of two numbers 14 by 5 and 16 by 3, average means sum of the two numbers divided by 2. The divided by 2 commonly taken out, that is 1 by 2 into 14 by 5 plus 16 by 3. So that is you have to make a cross multiplication. 1 by 2 into 14 into 3, 42. 16 5s are 80, 5 3s are 15. Now you have to add these two. 42 plus 80, 122 by 15. Now for these two are in a product, so you make a cancelling method. 1 2 is 2, 6 2s are 12, 1 2 is 2, 61. So 1 into 61, 61, here 15, 61 by 15. It is a first rational number. Next we want to find the second rational number. Second rational number, how we have to find? So that is 14 by 61 by 15 lies between 14 by 5 and 16 by 3. So we have two methods, that is you have to find between these two, average of these two or average of these two. First we have to find average of these two numbers. 60 average of 61 by 15 and 16 by 3. That is the same way we have to follow here. 1 by 2 into 61 by 15 plus 16 by 3. So now for here no common factor, so directly we follow the cross multiplication. Here you have to find the LCM method. So LCM is 15. So 61 by 15. For this one you make it as a 15. When you make it as a 15, both numerator and denominator multiple by 5. So 16 into 5 by 3 into 5. So 61 by 15, 16 into 5 80, 3 into 5 15, 80 by 15. Now you same denominator, so you have to add these two. 141 by 15. Now you have to multiple these two. 1 into 141, 141, 2 into 15, 30. The second way, for average of these two numbers, average of these two numbers, 14 by 5 plus 61 by 15, 1 by 2 into. So 1 by 2 into, for here LCM is 15, so both numerator and denominator multiple by 3. So multiple by 3 means you get 14 into 3, 42, 5 into 3, 15. Now same denominator, so you have to add these two. So that is 103 by 15. Now you have to multiple these two. 103 by 30. So the rational number between 14 by 5 and 16, rational number between 14 by 5 and 16 by 3 are 61 by 15, 103 by 30 or 61 by 15, 141 by 30. Now basic arithmetic operations on rational numbers. Basic arithmetic operations means that is the addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. That is the basic arithmetic operations. First related to addition problems. For add minus 6 by 11, 8 by 11, minus 12 by 11. First you have to check for any addition problem or subtraction problem, we have to check the denominator. The denominators are same, just we have to simplify the numerator. Now the given problem denominators are same. So we have to simplify the numerator. Minus 6 plus 8 minus 12. Same denominator taken, right? 11. Now for subtraction, my negative values you have to add. For minus 6 minus 12, that is minus 18. Minus 18 plus 8, that is minus 10 by 11. Next is subtraction for same denominator. Subtract 9 by 17 from minus 12 by 17. From after what is given, that you have to write first. Minus 12 by 17 minus 9 by 17. Same denominator. So simplify the numerator. So minus 12 minus 9 by 17. So that is equal to same sign. So we have to add 12 plus 9, 21. Same sign, minus 21 by 17. Next multiplication problem. For multiplication of rational numbers, you no need to check the denominators. Just you have to multiply the numerator multiple with numerator, denominator multiple with denominator. So 5 sevens are 35, minus into plus minus, 8 threes are 24, plus into plus plus, minus 35 by 24. Next problem, minus 6 by minus 11 into minus 4, minus 6 by minus 11, minus by minus is plus. So this minus 6 by minus 11 is written as 6 by 11 into minus 4. 6 fours are 24, minus is there, minus 24. So 11 into 1, 11. Answer minus 24 by 11. Now you have to know about multiplicative inverse. If the product of two rational number is 1, then each of them is said to be the reciprocal or the multiplicative inverse of the other. Next, division of rational numbers. Divide 7 by minus 8 by minus 3 by 4. For any division problem is there, first number what is given just take and write. The second number want to take a reciprocal. After taking the reciprocal, change the division as a multiplication. So minus 7 by minus 8 is written as minus 7 by 8. This division is change it as multiplication. 3 by 4 reciprocal, minus 4 by 3. Now normal multiplication rules. Numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. For this cancelling is possible, we have to make cancel. 1 4 is 4, 2 4s are 8. So minus 7 into minus 1, 7. Minus into minus plus. So 2 3s are 6. Answer 7 by 6.